As climate change becomes more pronounced, pressure is growing on businesses to operate in a more environmentally sustainable way.
And you have to go with the weight of scientific opinion ultimately, and that weight is that the climate is changing. Part of the cause of that is carbon footprint, and we have to therefore achieve some clarity over what the impact of what you do on a daily basis is.
IBM believes that the adoption of greener business practices can actually enhance profitability. Businesses that act now to reduce their carbon footprint can both cut costs and improve long-term prospects. Jonathan Steele is an independent analyst and chief executive at the Bathwick Group. Steve Bowden is IBM's chief technical officer for green computing, and David Young leads IBM's Big Green project.
Energy saving is becoming vitally important for our customers and for IBM itself.
Current assessments show that 40% of the total commercial energy bill for non-manufacturing environments are actually used for running IT today.
The power consumption within IT data centers around the world is increasing at an alarming rate, and it's not sustainable.
So as a result, what we're seeing is a significant rise in the cost of energy to run your IT estate.
As part of its goal to cut a massive 80% of power usage in data centers, IBM has announced Project Big Green.
Project Big Green is real today.
We took just under 4,000 servers and in the process of consolidating that down to just over 30 mainframe systems, Systems X. In real terms, we're going to see an 80% saving in terms of the amount of energy we're going to use to run those systems.
One of the key reasons that we're doing this project and why we're investing so much money in doing it is that we are the largest commercial IT provider in the world. And as such, we have over 8 million square feet of data centers, which obviously consume a massive amount of power. That means that unless we carried out this project and carried out these sort of consolidations, we would actually double not only our floor space, which and the environmental impact by building new data centers, but we'd also double the amount of power. So by carrying out these sort of consolidations, we expect to save about 5 billion kilowatts of power a year, and that's about the equivalent of a city of Paris used in 1 year.
IBM's working at every single level on how to produce more efficient chips, how to produce more efficient materials for use in chips and so on, all the way through to how to redesign data centers and redesign infrastructures to be more power efficient.
We've always been a corporate environment where we've been thinking of the environmental issues and been a socially responsible corporation. So this is not something which we just joined as part of a green bandwagon. This has been part of the ethos of IBM for many years.
One of IBM's big advantages over many other companies in the marketplace is the fact that it does have the wide view. It has the ability to look at how technology is applied across a company or any organization, all the way from business process level right the way through to the technology that's actually used, and there are very few companies that can actually do that.
You don't need to be afraid of going green. Green is not just a way of positioning your company to save the planet. What you actually do with going green and using the right technologies is save your business a significant amount of money and make it much more effective at doing what it does.